ugly dresses, but I'm not gonna talk about that. In my monologue, I like baking and things that smell like winter, but I'm not gonna talk about that. In my monologue, la la la, la la la, I like writing songs about douchebags who cheat on me, but I'm not gonna say that. In my monologue, I like writing their names into songs so they're ashamed to go in public, but I'm not gonna say that. In my monologue, la la, la 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 la, this is my musical monologue. You might think I'd bring up Joe, that guy who broke up with me on the phone, but I'm not gonna mention him. In my monologue, hey Joe, I'm doing real well. Tonight I'm hosting SNL. In my monologue, la la la, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, la la la. And if you're wondering if I might be dating the werewolf from Twilight,